If you're looking to change language on your Windows 11 computer, then in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Windows 11. So once you're on your computer, right click on the Windows icon, which is a start icon on your taskbar, and you want to go to settings. Now from here, you want to click on time and language on the left hand side. And then from here, you want to click on language and region. Now here at the top, you will see Windows Display Language. And as you can see here, mine is currently English language. So to change this, you can simply go ahead and click the drop down here. And if you have additional language here, you can select that language. Otherwise, you want to simply click on add a language and choose a language of your choice. Now, as you can see, I have multiple different languages that I can choose from. So it's just about choosing something and that language will go ahead and select. So let me go ahead and find something that I understand. I'm gonna go ahead and choose, for example, another English language as an example, right? On the right hand side, you can see what these different language actually comes with. So you can see these icons. And if you want to know what these icons mean, you need to just look at the bottom here and you can see. So for example, this one has a display language, it has a text to speech, it also have handwriting and speech recognition. So all four. So let's say I want to use this, I click on this language and here I can simply click on next. And then you want to go ahead and ensure that you select what you need to select. From here, you can go ahead and you can have the optional language features. You can also check the box to set as Windows Display Language if you want to use that option. So if you want it to automatically set as your display language, you check that box, right? But for the purpose of this video, I'll just leave it unchecked. Then you want to go ahead and click on install. And from here, you want to wait for the language to install. Now, once the language is installed, guys, you will have the option to simply select that language and set it. So what will happen is that you'll have the language automatically appear here. Once you have the language installed here, you can just come here to the top where you have the Windows Display Language and switch that language to whatever you want. So while this is installing, I could just simply select it. And as you can see, it automatically set as my display language. So that's basically it, guys. That's how to go ahead and change your language on Windows 11.